Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It is great. Let me introduce myself. My name Krishna from Bantul, Jakarta. I'm from D3 MT Airport Charlie. Here I will tell you country I want to visit, namely Swiss. Swiss. History. Switzerland is a country located in Central Europe. This country has existed since where is originally consisted of three forests: cantons, Uri, Swiss, and Unterwalden. Canton itself is a region or area such as a state of our province. However, in the country's forest, canton has its own ownership. Up to you and of the country, the canton is Switzerland continued to grow only after Switzerland became a single country after the country adopted the constitutional federal government, within the past took the form of a confederation and more closely resembled a union of nations rather than a single state. Switzerland's geographic location consists mostly of mountainous regions. This matter case not very good place to prehistoric times. The position of Swiss area alone is sufficient strategic because it connects between northern and southern Europe. Plateau, Switzerland, that stretches from Lake Geneva in the west to the Lake countries in the east, and including the Alps. Jura and the Rhine is the essentially populated area. Jura is a small mountain-rich location inside the separates the Rhine and the Rhone River. This mountain trying hard to master to power of the mountainous region because the path passed through the Alps in Switzerland is an important route for crossing and for communication between cities in Europa region. Due to the geographical condition with area quite difficult to this area was difficult for other. This is one of the factors that make the national Switzerland has its own peculiarities, such as in government, culture, the life of the people. When you see the people who inhabit the area, Switzerland is mostly German, but is the German who have been inhabiting the area that become the Swiss region become different from German living in Germany own territory. Culture. Switzerland is a country of cultural diversity thanks to its geographical position between countries is such as Germany, France, Italy, Austria, and Liechtenstein. This diversity has contributed to forming a unique culture. Switzerland has a broad tradition of music, craftsmanship, and museum. If you have ever visited the country, you will see Chiha in many words, but what does it mean? Chiha refers to the tribe that inhabit the country years ago. One of this major tribes was the Helvetians, Celtic tribe, and the Chiha stand for Confederation Helvetica, the significant traditional of folk music. Swiss folk music include yodeling, Alport music, and Indler music. The best known musical instruments are the Alphorn, a Swiss musical instrument, the Swiss Giragoli, an accordion, the violin, the bass violin, and the clarinet. If you are a museum or are enthusiast, the Switzerland is sure to per capita, meaning you can find over museum. Swiss culture is also famous for its handicraft and especially watchmaking. The luxury match was introduced in Patek Philippines, Rolex, Tissot, Tag Heuer, Vacheron Constantin, and Copper. What about famous Switzerland? Roger Federer, legendary tennis player, Johannes Frey, author of the fiction book Heidi, or Psychiatrist and Physioanalyst, Carl Jung are among the most famous Swiss people. Small tip: if you want to make friends with Swiss people and absorb Swiss culture, then you must follow three characteristics: only, punctuality, and politeness. National food. Swiss cuisine has a place in the heart of many foodies, and once you try it, it's hard to let go. It is a culinary gourmand paradise with influence from countries such as Italy and France. Where to start? Top quality chocolates or super delicious cheese. Some of the most distinctive dishes of Swiss cuisine include cheese fondue, melted cheese with breadcrumb, raclette, Implermangronen, and rosti. Delicious cheeses are found everywhere in the country, and while studying in Switzerland, you can try specialty cheese like Vacherin, Appenzeller, Emmentaler, or Subrins. How often do you eat mostly for breakfast? Will you also know that mostly original is Switzerland and was development around by Swiss physician Maximilian Oskar Birches-Brenner. Chocolate production in Switzerland began in the century and quickly gained a worldwide audience thanks to its quality. Today, tons of chocolate are produced every year, with leading Swiss chocolate brands such as Lane, Kyler, Frey, Nestle, and Toblerone being one of the world's leading chocolate provider. National protein drink is sort of Triggewan, which means made of wheat. The word comes from a German and Austrian dialects meaning little girl. Apart from Germany, the drink is also worn in neighboring countries such as Austria, Switzerland, and Liechtenstein. Destination. 1. The Matterhorn is a natural tourist attraction that is famous as the most photographed mountain in the world. This mountain is high of this mountain with incredible views is one of the highest mountains in the Alps. 2. Oeschinesi is a beautiful lake was beautiful eyes like a mirror reflection. The mountain was surround it. This charming lake called even is the most photogenic lake in the Alps. 3. The Lauterbrunnen Valley is an ancient glacial valley that has a depth of 3 kilometers. This valley has a detective shape. This makes it easy to imagine the massive glacier carving it out of the surrounding mountains. There are also stunning waterfalls that line the valley. Public figure. 1. Elsa Hox. The Stockholm-born woman became one of the official angels of the exclusive Victoria's Secret lingerie brand in. The public often compared her to a character Elsa from Frozen, because Elsa does have a beautiful face, big eyes, and the same blonde hair as the Disney character. Elsa has achieved supermodel status with a salary. This year, she also had the opportunity to wear the Fantasy Bra, a prestigious achievement for a Victoria's Secret model. 2. Alicia Vikander. The woman whose real name Alicia Amanda Vikander is a talented actress who has starred in various films such as Danish Girl and Anna Karenina, Ex Machina, and To Live Forever. His name is increasingly sticking out after winning the Academy Award for the film Danish Girl. The woman who married actor Michael Fassbender took the baton to play Lara Croft from actress Angelina Jolie. Alicia is often praised for her natural beauty, his brown skin and slender body, and considered exotic. She is also good at dancing ballet since childhood. 3. Yara Larsson. Yara Larsson has repeat tremendous popularity as solo singer. The woman born in Solna won two talent search on the single Lost Life that made his name skyrocketed was released. Yara is often praised for their distinct Swedish beauty with light blonde hair, classic face, and big eyes. Big hands. This woman was said to be similar to Adele with Selena Gomez's body as well. My presentation has come to an end. Thank you for your attention and good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.